recording now.
I'm not going.
You have to. It's real probably. Beep. I got it, Braylon. No, just go. Let's go! Third time in 2 weeks, Miss Farrar.
Tyler, come on.
Third time in 2 weeks, Mr. Geis. Alright, Mr. Why is it the class, Miss Farrar? The third time in 2 weeks.
I know.
Challenge. There she go again. Dang, that's hot.
I said, and you
I'm
realize
retired.
that Ferraro's retiring.
And this time, nobody closed the door this time. Because last time we got locked out.
Oh, I won't let you get locked out. I got it.
Because last
Hey,
time...
Mr. Knobloch got it. Thank you.
This is the
You
third
guys have
time.
to go down the hill. Let's
Come
go.
on, Miranda.
No, 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 I'm not. Down the hill.
We got a bunch of boys that went that way.
Ooh! Third damn time. Garlic, shut the dumb teacher. Miss Farrar! Miss Farrar! They need to stop doing this. This is the third time in like 2 weeks. Probably gonna happen all week, probably. Did this happen last year too, Miss Farrar?
No, Tyler, it did not.
Because I know we only had 2 false alarms last year. And this year, since we got, yeah, and now that we got new people this year, they're pulling them. I can only imagine what next year's gonna be like, Miss Farrar.
I'm glad I don't have to imagine.
Oh yeah, he's not gonna be here. Hey, it's fine, way.
So you know you about to owe me $50, right?
I bet too. But that,
You owe me 30 already.
Miss Farrar. I bet it happened until the last day of school. This seems to keep happening. They need to stop.
That'd be nice.
Because you know what? The fire department is gonna stop coming to the school.
Okay.
I ain't sure there's none of that shit.
Hooray!
I'll go home and go to bed.
It's still flashing. Oh, I feel good. have to use the elevator.
Okay.
I don't know why they keep doing this.
I don't know either.
I know last week happened like twice last week. Because if you know, like, it's Tuesday again, and then here it goes again.
They always do it on Tuesday?
And Friday.
On Tuesday and Friday. Huh.
Why is he still flashing them?
I don't know. Mr. Crumpak's in charge of that. He doesn't let me be in charge.
This thing's bright. It's 2:39. Oh my God. Hi, Miss Cinco. Yeah. It's clicking, Miss Cinco. Do you hear it? Yeah. So when are the fire alarms off these doors? Ah! Not again! Second time. Do we gotta evacuate this time? Do we gotta evacuate this time or no?
No. It's a false alarm.
You should announce it and tell them not to evacuate because they're all going.
The main office to do it.
It's not real. Somebody pulled it again.
Somebody pulled it.
Yeah, this is the third time in 2 weeks.
I'm going through the fire and relief.
Come on.
Because it happened Tuesday and Friday last week and now today.
All right, I got it. What did I do?
This door is locked. Ah. Miss Holloway. Miss Holloway. Can you hold the door? Thank you. They said not to evacuate this time. Miss Cinco. Huh?
Just checking.
Yeah, they said don't evacuate this time. They're here now, they're in front. They're trying to turn the thing off. But then it went off again. You okay?
I don't trust you that well.
This is the third time. I swear. This is go back to class. This is go back to class. Alright, no. What's Livage? They're supposed to go back to class. Alright. I wonder why the stupid elevator wasn't open. Well, the fire alarm thing, whatever the hell happened, is done. Thank you for watching.